around 125 units of house apartment. Every apartment is just like 2 bedrooms. So there will be something just like we finished in around 5 months. That'll be 2 family connection together designing. Not bad, right? Okay, guys, we is the number 4 days. Number 4 is just half day. Okay, today we have 3 full days for working. Now the house nearly finished, all the main body. So we take some idea from Malcolm. Here's Malcolm and Ismail. Okay, give us.
Hi. Okay. Today we started on Tuesday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yes.
It's now Saturday lunchtime, and we've erected the whole building.
Yes.
Doors and windows are going in, and the roofing is now going on.
Yes.
So by the end of this evening, we should have wind and watertight complete.
Yeah.
The next couple of days will be spent on the finishings, painting, ceilings.
Maybe 3 more days.
Another 3 days, we'll see
3 more days.
2 complete 2-story houses
Yes.
finished within 7 days.
Yeah.
Now that's very good. Savings in labour costs is phenomenal.
Yeah.
And the quality of the building, once complete, insulation-wise, is fantastic.
We just try inside. It's better.
Yeah, it's
Do
good.
what you just do now.
Yeah, it's really amazing, you know, because it's only 3 days like this.
Yeah.
And with I think only few numbers of staff,
Mm-hmm.
definitely you
8.
can save.
8. There was a total of 8
right?
now.
Yeah.
8 people worked on this.
8 people,
Yeah,
right?
And not skilled people.
Yeah, this is
There
very.
was one skilled person, and the rest of them were just helpers, which is
The
good.
one skilled person is just the
One
people who
skilled
take
person
video
just
now.
to take the
This is one of the best selling point. It's
yeah,
product.
that is.
Yeah.
All the freshmen with no experience on this house system.
This is, for me, it's amazing.
You show the I go inside.
What I can
Okay.
like actually is about this.
Oh,
panels,
fitting is more core inside.
It's cooler, yes.
The sound, you know,
sound and insulation
the
value of the
sound.
panel is
The soundproof?
Yeah, the sound is very good, you know, compared with other existing.
Correct.
I mean,
Try the strings. Try the strings.
Really good.
Is it good?
I can actually kick it for you.
Not better. Try. Yeah.
That's not fixed, but
This is the
That's
not fixed. Okay.
No bite.
That's okay. That is
Yeah.
another advantage here. Actually, they have a pipe going inside for the electric.
That's good. This is quite easy.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
you
try
just cut it off.
You try to do the show, right?
Yeah. And you just install like this.
6 inside,
Fix
and the socket
with the
working.
covers.
Yeah.
And that takes your liner. The fuse board will be on this wall,
Right.
and that takes your ring through. And
Right.
we'll keep the beams exposed and we'll box them.
Yeah.
We'll box these beams in.
Yeah.
And conduits will run through for the lighting for the ceilings. And obviously these go from top to bottom.
Yeah.
So you bring your lighting wiring system through from the top.
Yeah, I think I'm fully agree with you. You know, the feeling is different. Outside it's very hot.
It's even with
You
the
know,
wind
we stay
outside,
inside.
even with the breeze outside.
Yeah, the
in
view
here
is
it's still
very-
cooler.
Yeah.
So we have that thermal insulation
That-
that is really needed in the Philippines. Yeah.
Sure.
Exactly. And the weather.
And
actually-
Malaysia also.
Yeah,
is
the
very,
weather outside,
very hot.
outside is very hot.
Oh,
Here
yeah,
actually
I
you
can
can see
stay in
different.
here.
Yeah.
We don't need a fans and air
And
conditioning.
I'm
is
Scottish,
working.
so it's not too bad. Yes.
But it's a small.
Congratulations, William, with your idea, your technology. I think this is one of the great product. You know.
Okay.
I think we can develop this product into something
It will expand.
second to none for the market.
What about the feeling for the stairs?
Stairs, good quality, nice steel stairs. Handrails still to go in, obviously, but already ready for acceptance. The handrail, which just slides in and bolts.
Yeah.
Again, finishing is dependent on the